Hi, I'm a Microsoft MVP from Japan. These are beautiful spring flowers in Japan. Select Slide Master from the View tab. You can customize the layout using picture placeholders. Duplicate the layout and adjust each width. Close the Slide Master. Select the custom layout you created. Repeat the same steps for the other slides. It's just selecting, so the work is quite repetitive. With this layout, you can insert multiple pictures at once. Here are 4 flower images. Switch to list view. Select all images. Drag them to the leftmost placeholder. Great! All the flowers fit perfectly. Do the same for the other slides. It's simple, but make sure to drag to the leftmost placeholder. Select slides 2 through 5. Select Morph in the Transitions tab. Now let's view it in Slideshow. Beautiful. The flowers change size smoothly. Do you know all these flowers? You might want to change the order of the flowers. Dragging the file names won't change the order. Add numbers to the file names based on the order you want from left to right. However, just adding numbers will not sort them automatically. Sort them in ascending order. Now they are sorted by number. That's all. Thank you for watching.